The virtual fireplace is a module that simulates an actual fireplace by controlling a red, yellow and white light bulb. It also plays the sound of an actual fireplace. An audio file is played by the audio module and fed to a speaker. The audio is also fed to the analog-digital converter from the microcontroller. The red light bulb is constantly on, creating a red background. The yellow light bulb is controlled by the microcontroller depending on the audio. The louder the volume, the brighter the bulb. The white light bulb turns on when the audio level reaches the almost maximum level of the analog-digital converter. Together, this creates the fire simulation.